The Green Lane Masjid and Community Centre building was originally constructed as a public library and baths between 1893 and 1902. Today, our mosque activities include 5 daily prayers with over 200 worshippers at each, roughly 4,000 people attending our Friday congregational prayer. During the month of Ramadan, we feed over 450 people on a daily basis. And a weekly Imam Q&A session is held, which delivers over 15 hours of Islamic counselling. We have 14 welfare services at GLM, a food bank that supported 3,000 families in partnership with local supermarkets, including Morrison's, a cancer support group in partnership with Macmillan's, a mobile food kitchen in partnership with Greggs, delivering over 30 meals twice a week, a community street watch initiative with West Midlands Police, free counselling services run by 2 qualified counsellors, a subsidised funeral service managing over 30 funerals and burials per year. Our Zakat charity fund distributes 60,000 annually to those in need locally, a weekly sisters coffee morning, a monthly elders social and lunch, and a free orthopaedic joint pain clinic with a practicing Harley Street doctor. Our educational department runs over 50 adult classes per week, an annual summer school with over 200 children, a weekly madrasa with 400 children registered, 2 annual conferences attended by thousands of people, hundreds of inspiring Islamic talks delivered annually, and a monthly Budding Believers weekend school. Task Force GLM, our international humanitarian wing, has raised over 6.6 million over the past 6 years, supporting worldwide emergencies and refugees by providing homes and essential support, a bread project in Lebanon distributing tons of bread daily, a unique orphanage pairing widows with orphans, food packs, and much, much more. We have the second largest scout group in the region with over 130 scouts. On a weekly basis, we also run a GLM football club in association with the FA, kickboxing classes for kids and adults, and girls basketball sessions. We host the largest outdoor Eid events in Europe with over 60,000 people attending.